Hello and welcome to the course on basic electrical engineering. In this video, I am going to derive condition for a maximum efficiency of a transformer. What is efficiency? It is the ratio of output power to the output power to the input power. So efficiency, it is denoted by symbol eta, equal to output power by input power, which is equal to output power by input power can be written as output power plus losses, where output power is equal to output power of a transformer is V2 I2 cos pi 2. What are the losses in a transformer? Losses in a transformer are main losses are copper losses and iron losses. Copper losses, these are variable losses in a transformer. It means these losses depend upon the load current. And iron loss. These are the two main losses in a transformer, copper losses and iron losses. See, iron loss is said to be constant loss. Iron loss is said to be constant loss in a transformer. It does not depend upon the load current. That's why it is a constant loss. Let copper loss equal to I2 square R02 and iron loss is Wi. Wi represent iron loss. Then efficiency of a transformer is output power. Here output power is V2 I2 cos pi 2 divided by output power by output power plus losses. Output power plus losses. What are the losses? Copper loss and iron loss. I2 square R02 plus iron loss. For a given power factor, cos pi 2 is constant and V2 is, here it is constant, R02 is also constant. So the only variable quantity in this equation is I2. So I can differentiate this efficiency equation with respect to I2 and I equate it to 0. Then I will get condition for maximum efficiency. So D efficiency by di2 is equal to 0 gives condition for maximum efficiency. If you do it, so differentiate this efficiency equation with respect to I2. So derivative of u by v. Derivative of u by v is v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square, and I will equate it to 0. If you do it, derivative of u by v into derivative of u, so it is v2 I2 cos pi 2 plus I2 square R02 plus iron losses. This is v into derivative of u. So I am differentiating with respect to I2. So if you differentiate this numerator, then you will get v2 cos pi 2. So v into derivative of u minus u into u means numerator v2 I2 cos pi 2 into derivative of this v, I mean denominator. So if you do it, v2 cos pi 2 plus 2I2 R02. We know that iron loss is the constant loss, so derivative of iron loss is 0 divided by v square, v2 I2 cos pi 2 plus I2 square R02 plus wi, and this whole thing which is equal to 0, then you will get condition for maximum efficiency. This whole thing is equated to 0. So from this, if you simplify it, you will get v2 I2 cos pi 2, v2 I2 cos pi 2 plus I2 square R02 plus wi plus I2 square R02 plus wi. See here, in the numerator v2 cos pi 2 is common in both these terms. v2 I2 cos pi 2 is common in both terms, so it will become 0. Then minus the only I2 is left, so I2 into v2 cos pi 2 plus 2I2 R02, v2 cos pi 2 plus 2I2 R02. V2 cos pi 2 plus 2i2 r naught 2 is equal to 0. See here the denominator term v square, it becomes 0. So which is equal to v2 i2 cos pi 2 plus i2 square r naught 2 plus iron loss minus v2 i2 cos pi 2 plus minus 2i2 square r naught 2 is equal to 0. So this term gets cancelled. I2 square r naught 2 minus 2i2 square r naught 2. So the remaining terms are iron loss minus I2 square r naught 2. So that implies I2 square r naught 2 equal to iron loss. Okay, this is the condition for maximum efficiency. Okay, this is the condition for maximum efficiency. What is this condition? Copper loss equal to iron loss. Let I2 be the full load current. Let I2 be the full load current. Then copper loss. At any fraction. Copper loss at any fraction x of full load current equal to x of full load current means xi2. I will substitute xi2 in place of I2 here. Then it will become xi2 whole square into r naught 2 is equal to iron losses. That implies x square I2 square r naught 2 is equal to iron losses. That implies x is equal to Wi by I2 square r naught 2. That implies x is equal to square root of iron loss by, okay, here I2 is the full load current. So it is full load copper loss. So condition for maximum efficiency of a transformer is I2 square r naught 2 is equal to iron loss. That is copper loss is equal to iron loss. Okay, this is the condition for maximum efficiency. Okay, this is the fraction at which the maximum efficiency occurs. Okay, this denote the fraction at which the maximum efficiency occurs. Okay, thank you.